Are you looking to create a custom landing page on EverWebinar to boost your webinar conversions? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a custom landing page on EverWebinar to give your webinar a unique, professional touch that drives more signups. Stick around because I'll also be sharing how you can get an exclusive, extended free trial for EverWebinar, so you can try this out for yourself with no commitment. Let's dive in, starting with the basics. EverWebinar makes it easy to customize your landing pages, which is key when you want to stand out and make your webinar look professional and on brand. The first step is logging into your EverWebinar account. Once you're in, go to the Webinars section and choose the webinar you want to work on. From here, select Landing Page and click Edit. This is where the magic happens. Next thing you'll want to do is pick a template that fits your webinar style. EverWebinar offers several pre-built templates, which you can fully customize. Once you've selected your template, you can edit the text, add your branding, and adjust the design. It's pretty straightforward, but it makes all the difference when you want to create something that resonates with your audience. The third thing you should know is how to add custom images and videos to your landing page. You can upload your own images or use a video to better showcase your webinar content. This adds a personal touch, which helps to increase engagement. It's simple. Just click the section where you want to add the image or video, then upload or link to your file. Remember, the more professional your page looks, the better the first impression you'll leave. Next, let's talk about setting up your call to action. Every landing page needs a clear call to action, whether it's to register, buy a ticket, or get more information. With EverWebinar, you can easily add a registration form or a button that links directly to your registration page. Make sure it's obvious and compelling, and try to place it somewhere users can see without having to scroll too much. The fifth thing is to make sure your landing page is mobile optimized. These days, a lot of people are signing up for webinars on their phones, so it's crucial that your landing page looks good on all screen sizes. EverWebinar automatically adjusts your landing pages for mobile, but it's always good to preview and test to make sure everything is looking sharp. The sixth thing to consider is tracking. EverWebinar allows you to add tracking codes for analytics, so you can measure how well your landing page is performing. This will help you understand which elements of your page are converting and where you can improve. Before we wrap up, I want to mention one more key feature: integrations. EverWebinar lets you integrate your landing page with tools like email marketing platforms, CRM systems, and payment processors, giving you a seamless experience when managing leads and customers. And before I go, here's the big takeaway. Remember, you can use EverWebinar completely free with an exclusive, extended trial by clicking the first link below. If you're ready to boost your webinar results, this is the perfect opportunity to try out all the features I just showed you with no strings attached. That's all for today's video. If you want to create a custom landing page that helps you capture more leads, follow these simple steps and start seeing results. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial with our exclusive bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video.